All right, this is the outro solo from Workin for MCA by LYNYRD SKYNYRD off the second album, Second Helping. So this is a double solo in unison by Alan Collins and Gary Rossington. So I'll play it for you and then we'll break it down. So on the live album, they go right into I Ain't the One right after Working for MCA, which opens the show. Okay, so let's take a look at this lead. We got... So we're going to go into the 7th fret of the 2nd string and hit that twice. And then we're going to hit 7 to 10, hammer on, and bend that 10. And then we go 7 and then 10 to 7, pull off. Hit the 7 again. So we have a bend on the 9, on the G, up and down, pull off, to the 7, back to the 9, then 9 on the D. So once again. So do-do-do-dee-do-da. So we bend the 9 on the G, hit the 10 underneath it. Okay, so once again. And then we go. Hit the 10 on the 2nd string and then bend it. And then 10, 9, 7. We're going to bend that 9 on the G, so. Bend the 9, then do the 7 on the 2nd. And then 9 to 8 to 9 to 9, going down the strings there. So. And then we're going to go. So we have bend on the 9 to 2 7s on the 2nd string. Bend again, 7, 10, 7, 9. So. And then 7, 9, 7. Hit the 10 and then bend it. So once again we got. Okay, then we have a new part. Okay, so we're bending the 10 on the 2nd string and then 2 7s down here on the 1st string. And then. So basically the same thing we're doing on the other ones, just with different notes, you know. So 7, 10, 7, and then 10 on the 2nd, little 7. So then we're back to the 9th on the G string. Up and down, pull off, 9 on the D. You can kind of hit that 7 there at the end of that. So let's look at it all again. We got. So this one we slide into the 11 on the G with the middle finger. We're going to hit 2 10s on the 2nd string. So 11, 10, 10, back to the 11. Big wide bend on the 12, step and a half bend, 2 of them. 10, 12 to 10, and then we have this riff. Okay, so that's little 7, and then 10, 7 on the next one. 10, 9, 7. To the 9 on the D. 7, 9, 7 here. Back to that 9 on the D. So it's. kind of a slide down. Then we're going to come up here, the 14 on the 3rd string. Okay, so we're going to have bend and then 2 12s. Bend, 12, 15, 12. We have bend to 12, bend to 12. Kind of a slow bend on that 14, so. Now the next one. Okay, so it starts the same. And then 12, bend the 15, back to 15, 12. And then we're gonna go into the 16 on the 3rd string and 15 on the 2nd string. And then we're gonna get into this double note thing where we bend the 17 on the 2nd string with the 17 not bending underneath on the 1st string. So. Okay, so we go bend, bend, down, and then go to that 15. And then back. Okay, so. And then we're gonna go. Okay, so we go to the lower note on that 2nd one. So it's. That's the 1st one, and then. That's the 2nd one, and then. So we just keep hitting the bends. 1, 2, 3, and then do the riff. Same thing with the 2nd one. And now we're going to go to the high note. So that's little 17. After that same 16 to 15. Down to the 14, so it's. Okay, so this part again. Second half. 15 to 16. So same type of thing where it adds hits on these parts. And then the last one. Okay. And then they go into. I ain't the one. Okay, so I'm gonna play the solo for you one more time. All right, working for MCA. That was the 3rd video on this one. I'll put them all out eventually as one big long one. But thanks a lot for watching. Got a tab. Talk to y'all soon.